Hi everyone, our software can do a lot with Excel files. It can create Excel files, modify Excel files, update Excel files, or extract data from Excel files. It can also change Excel files cells. For example, it can change Excel cell color. Let me show you how. Let's create a workflow. Call it set Excel cell color. So we have a directory, the C drive, show some sample files. We just delete the ones we don't need. So for example, coastal field, what we want to do, we want to change first cell, A1. So all we need to do, we need to add we need to add set Excel cell color. Need to select the file. Set the sheet name, which I don't remember. Okay, it's called potatoes. So it's A1. And the color is, for example, yellow. Let's try running it. Okay, it's working fine. And let's check the color. You can see it is yellow. Now we want to change the color in all Excel files within the folder. You can use files loop. Like that. We need to select the mask. Send the variable. Let's call it file. It's not really necessary, but I like calling it file. Set the file name here as well. It's called file. Set it to variable. Files loop as a starting point. And we are ready to run. Let's see what happens. Check some other files in the folder. For example, Ariba field. See, again, yes, yellow. Right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum. And we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.